All right, I'm going to review this shower curtain. I received this in exchange for a review, but all of these thoughts are my own. So let's open it up. It's a real deep black and has kind of cotton zigzag pattern on it. And there's actually 2 layers to it. So you have the inner lining and also the outer curtain. So it's really nice that it's built in like that. It's got these nice big rings where it'll attach to your shower curtain rod. One side's kind of flat like that. The other side you can see the rivets. Curtain is nice and soft. The inside is nice and slick. So I'm going to hang this up in our shower and see how it looks. So here I am putting the curtain onto the curtain hooks. The better way would definitely be to put the curtain directly onto the curtain rod, but I don't have that option available to me. So I'm just going to put them on these hooks. I have 10 hooks for 10 holes, and they slide on really easily. And this is what it looks like when it's all done. Definitely a very classy look. Goes well with my bathroom. I like it. And this is what it looks like from the inside as well. You can see you have the shower curtain liner there at the bottom, and an open spot there that you can see out through the top. I think it looks really classy, great for our home, great for a hotel. So I think it's got a nice design to it. It's built well, should last for a while, easy to install, would make a great shower curtain for your home or hotel. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. I'm Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, I'm on a quest to review literally everything sold on Amazon. So if there's something that you need a review of, literally just tell me. Let me know in a comment, and I'll literally buy it and just review it for you. Literally.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.